Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the keyboard on Sharp Android TV. First, go to the apps in top right corner and download a keyboard that you want to set if you haven't downloaded it yet. So let's go to Google Play Store, and then I'm gonna go app and go to the left, and I'm just gonna search for like whatever, just like let's type in the keyboard. But if you have a certain one in mind, then you can set it to that. Yeah, and let's see what do we have in here. I'm gonna check out this one. Let's see. Yeah, it's some sort of keyboard, I guess. I'm gonna choose one, maybe a different one. What about this one? Yeah, I decided to get this weird one just for whatever reason. Let's just install it. It's really a weird one, but it has some modifications and you know, and some clipboard. May be useful actually. We'll see. Let's download it first. Now it's downloaded, so you don't need to open it. I think you just need to go to the home screen, then go to the settings, and now go to device preferences, then go to keyboard and first manage keyboards, and then enable the keyboard that you want to use. I think I'm gonna enable this one as well. I don't know what virtual remote keyboard is. We'll see that. Then let's go to current keyboard and let's set it to FTV keyboard, which I've downloaded. Now I'll go into any place that I can search for the keyboards. I search for whatever, so the keyboard appears. So let's go back to the Play Store and go to search, then go here. Okay, there's like some questions from FTV to just like, you know, I've set it as default already. Now let's create a new profile, and you can see, yeah, the keyboard works. It's a weird one, as I said, but maybe you'll like it. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.